Hi guys, thanks for tuning into my video. This is a video about CPA marketing and how I was able to quit my 9-to-5 administrative position by doing CPA from home on basic autopilot. And yes, it's possible. The way you promote your offers can be done on autopilot. While you sleep, you will be getting clicks and conversions. Now, in order for me to help you get in to any CPA network that you're looking to get into, I need you to click on the link above this video and click on Start Now, and then enter your name and your email. Let me know when you're done, okay? And also, I need you guys to like and share my video if possible. I'd appreciate that as well. If you have any questions, feel free to inbox me. And now's the time to get into CPA. I'm telling everybody. And I'm willing to help you if you need help. If you have any questions, like I said before, feel free to contact me. Don't be shy. And let's do this. Let's get that money rolling into your account.